everybody, I'm here in San Halo Resort, and as you can see, it's hot and hot and hot in here. So,
what is today? Holiday.
Today is Monday and it's holiday here in what? United States, all over?
Yeah.
All over United States, you guys. And if you are here in St. George, come join us. Thank you. Why can't we just stay there?
We are. Let's just go find some shade. Right there, see?
Okay, that way.
What is this? Tell us.
This is what is this again?
It's an island out in the middle of the lake.
This is an island in the middle of nowhere. I can't wait to be in the water, you guys. So come with me. Safety, like me, since I don't know how to swim, I always have my life jacket just in case of emergency. Please notify Janice. Kidding, but oh well. I need to pee. That's why I need to be in the water.
Okay.
Do you think this one works?
I don't know. Try it out. Probably not.
Because if not, then help me, okay?
Okay.
Oh my gosh! It scares me. I don't have nothing to hold on.
Just go out and float.
No, what if this doesn't work?
It does. It works.
No, what if it doesn't?
It does. It works.
No, what if it doesn't?
I promise it does.
What, are you going to... Where's your life jacket?
I'm filming you for now. Go get in.
But what if this one doesn't work?
It does. It will. I promise.
What if that one's slippery? I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared. If you love outdoor activity, come join us here in Salt Lake, Utah.
This isn't Salt Lake.
What's this?
St. George.
St. George, Utah. If you know where's Utah, one of states in United States. So anyway.
You're stalling. Get in the water.
But I'm scared. What if this doesn't work?
It does.
I'm really scared. It's not joke. I don't talk joke anymore since I'm in the water. Water for me is dangerous. What if it doesn't work, babe? Oh my God! Do you think it will work?
Yeah, I do.
My God! Why is it I'm scared? I wish I could just try it on first. See if it's gonna work or not.
This is trying it on. Just go get in the water and try it on.
But what if it's not gonna work?
Then just swim back over here.
How can I swim? I don't even know how to swim.
kick your feet and it'll come back over. It'll work, I promise.
That will work, huh? Oh yeah, it worked. Okay, I need my hat now. Can you grab my hat and my eyeglasses? This is really hot. Let's go in the water. You guys, the water temperature is 85. How do you say that?
Degrees.
85 degrees, so it's not cold. Even though it's a snow water, it's still not cold because the weather temperature here in St. George, Utah is 105, so it's boiling hot. So the water is 85, so it's nice. And it's nice. Yeah. Come on, let's eat. So all the people around here doesn't have any umbrella, and they're wearing swimsuit. But look at this guy. This is really funny. This guy has a umbrella. He has umbrella. He's afraid of the sun. Can you imagine? Someone wants to go swimming and afraid of the sun. Thank you guys for watching. For more video, please like and subscribe.